And this is record demo number 4. And we are flying into Shandon Way. Ooh, the Shandon Way bankers and stockbrokers are working really hard. I can see them in their offices. Ooh, so nice. What about Marina Bay Sands? We are flying there, teleporting. Whee! And we are not near Marina Bay Sands yet. We are banking right to fly to Marina Bay Sands. Ah, never mind. This is very nice too because I can see Sands Hotel from this angle. Ooh, so beautiful. Finally, I get to know National Day Parade in the sky how it looks like. I wonder can I also fly near the super trees? Can I? Oh yes. Aha. This is the way you can save money also. Yes. It's beautiful. Wow. Relying on this fun game to improve my posture is really a good idea. End of demo number 4.